All right. For those of you who were asking me about whitening powders, real authentic whitening powders, because the question was like, oh, is it only cosmetic? You said I told you I said organic as well also. All right. So for those of you looking for solid whitening powders that you don't even know their names, but expensive and you can see results in a day. Hey, come on. Don't test me. Don't test me. This is it. All right. Just put a call through via the number on your screen. Trust me. All right. So it can just be as easy as ASAP. The way you take one time, that's how you get them right. So I just advise you. You can see chunks of powders. We have here different type of powders. I swear down to God, like honestly, original powders that you will use and use and use. Customer will keep coming. So don't doubt it. For those of you who need powders, just contact me. Powders that you've not heard of their name, talk about make me white powder, talk about black magic powder, talk about sim white, talk about giga white, talk about alpha abutin. Those are just simple powders that you've not known their names, that when you put in a lotion, your lotion will be a testimony in the life of others. I got those powders only. They're expensive, but get them. And funny enough, people think we just buy powders anywhere. No, we bring our powders from Dubai, and we bring our powders from Thailand. Those places, that's where we get our powders. All right, so stay tuned. Trust me.